Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a product on Shopify. Knowing how to add a product to your online store is a must. Even though you're not the one managing your own store, you still need to know the basics. Adding a product in Shopify is pretty easy and it doesn't require you skills to navigate through the site. Let us walk you through the step-by-step process in adding a product. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What you need to do first is to access the Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account at www.shopify.com. Click the product section on the left to access the products list page. Click the Add Product button located at the top right. This is where you begin adding your product. Indicate the title or the name of your product. Fill in the product description field as well. You can also set a publication date on when you want your product to be published. Just click the calendar icon beside the online store on the right and select the date. On the image section, drag the images of the product that you're selling. For pricing, indicate the price. This is the selling price of your item. It is optional but advisable to indicate the compare price as well. This is if you wanted to put the product on sale. This is a good way to catch your customer's eyes. On the inventory section, indicate the SKU of this product as well as the barcode number. You can also let Shopify track this inventory or not. Just make sure to indicate the quantity if you wanted Shopify to track it. If this is a physical product, then make sure to mark the checkbox. Indicate the weight and the HS code which is needed for customs. Also indicate your fulfillment service. You can either choose Shopify or the Amazon Marketplace web. Indicate the variants of your shirt. You can specify the option name and indicate the option values beside it. Add a new one by clicking Add Another Option button, and you can also delete the option by clicking the trash icon on the right. Once you have set the variants of your product, indicate the price and the barcodes that you have assigned this product. Also, don't forget to indicate the product type and the vendor if applicable. Review all the details, and once you're done, click the Save button on top. You should see a green call out that your product has been created. It should show up on your online store right away if you haven't set any published date. Pretty easy, right? So that's it. That's how you add a new product on Shopify. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!